Okay, let me set this up. What I want to do today is the most degenerate thing I ever did. Watching 100 YouTube shorts. I will type in coding and see what happens. So it on a different channel, it seemed fun. And I feel like it's not gonna be fun. I would rather not be subjected to this. Well, I have my doubts as well. Can you tap a different audio channel so I can call on Discord and we can talk together? What? Okay, find your mic and I'll find how to do that. I feel like if I just type in coding advice or something like that, it's gonna end up in cringe. So I need to start from somewhere. Americans react to Europe. Yes! Oh my god, this is so good. This is gonna be so good.
Hello.
Hey, I can hear you now. Oh my god, it's so great. It's working.
Boo.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's finally working. Okay.
You're just really bad at the internet, aren't you?
Just shut the fuck up, man. Shall we go with America versus Europe? There's only one chance.
No. Not America versus Europe explicitly. Just so like American reacts to Europe. Okay. Shorts. We go shorts. So now we pick the one we start off.
Already, right?
And already messed the counter. Okay, shut the fuck up. Okay, I'm gonna scroll one, and then it's gonna be fine. Okay, US versus Europe memes. We don't want to do that. America goes to Europe. Start with, okay, this is gonna be fine. Question. Do you hear this through stream or do you hear this through Discord? Do you hear the thing through Discord?
No, we're listening through stream, so there's a delay between what I'm saying, what we're saying, and what we're actually visually seeing.
Question, can we fix that somehow? If I turn on camera, so I could share the real-time screen and the real-time voice output somehow. That's the question. Okay, wait a second.
The issue comes from when we're talking, because we're talking according to the stream.
Yeah,
so
I know.
We speak when you speak on the stream, so the delay is ×2.
So what you should do is instead of watching the stream, you should watch me on Discord only. So you basically get the same because this is the stream output. If you watch if you look at the stream, and you look at the Discord, it's the same because OBS is giving me a virtual camera, so it's duplicated. So it's the same thing without the delay. Now the problem is the sound, because I don't know if you can only hear the mic. So if I started the video, if I started the YouTube video, you probably don't hear it on Discord. Okay, let me see if that's something I can solve. Yeah, that's the shit. It's because the input device on whatever is, on Discord is the microphone. And I was hoping that there's going to be a virtual sound output, just like in the video, that OBS virtual camera, you know.
You should write a code.
I'm very talented.
I can whip it in 5 minutes, and you can't even do basic shit.
Well, do it. Well, thank you. That would be really useful. Just do it.
Yeah.
This is a skill issue. Output maybe. Oh no. Oh no, we did everything.
It looks like you're gonna have to audibly portray what's
yeah, I have to, oh my god.
We could just use subtitles, I don't know.
Or subtitles are on, but it's just so
Do I look
stupid.
like I want to read? I read code every day. I don't need to read this shit, bro.
Soundboard, what's this? What's the soundboard? What allows us from a person?
Soundboard is soundboarding, you know?
It's nothing. Like every single streamer is making big money, you know? And they're getting gifts and whatever. And
a skill issue.
It's a fucking shame that I have to buy everything and just wasting money away. Quality service, no. When I speak, no. You couldn't do it. The reverse, you know. If you called me, we were on the call and you shared the screen and you played the video, I wouldn't hear the video, right?
Yeah, I think that would be the same issue.
Google it.
It doesn't make sense, you know.
Just Google it, man.
Google knows everything, you know.
Oh, this is the solution. But I probably have to, reset my whole computer for this.
Yeah, you can select 2 devices in here and right-click and merge.
Well, if the computer explodes, well, that's on you, right?
That's my problem, right? No worries. Right. We'll figure it out. And now,
yes,
yay! They don't need this anymore. So, okay. So the line in goes. It's kind of complicated. So this is fed up into my ears. This goes, I think, into to the stream.
What's
now
too complicated for you, or what?
Wait, we still need the virtual audio cable. I've done this before. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I think Volker is right. Okay, let's try it. It's probably gonna kill my sound, but virtual audio cable. But this couldn't be worse. Purchase. That's oh no. Oh, trial. Oh no.
This looks so dodgy.
This website literally.
Hey, this don't look good, right?
Install 50,000 viruses.
Oh, it's just it don't want to open because it thinks it's a virus.
No,
my God.
Wait, there's a setup.exe, so
there you go.
Money.
This don't look dodgy at all. This
No,
this looks really great.
It looks safe.
Okay. Hello.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Install it.
Ready. Click the.
Yeah.
Oh, sucks. Oh my god! It opened a web page on my other monitor.
Oh shit.
Please
Successful. Reboot your system. Okay. Well, next stream coming up, we will figure this. Maybe it works. You never know. We have this. This is how we watch the video. Advanced. Oh no.
No. This is fine. VLC is basically our YouTube.
This is really bad. This is bad.
No, you don't.
tell you why.
VLC is basically the YouTube. So if you imagine it that way.
Yeah.
So VLC would be Discord.
Yeah. Exactly. But
So,
no, well, yeah,
the
no, my microphone and the whatever would be. I would have to set my microphone to output to the cable, and as well as my the Opera or whatever browser to output to the cable. And so chat is probably like, watch the video. I think they were just using VLC as an output. Yeah, list to Anderson. Yeah, so I would have to output everything and then reconfigure OBS, you know, to listen to the cable. I think the only solution to this is to do it next stream when I figure it out, because that's probably gonna take like an hour and a half to, you know, to set up everything, and then we can watch. It's a shame.
Just buy a new computer. You're rich enough, right?
Yeah, just whatever. How
What
people
is
do
this
it.
Minecraft sound here?
That, well, I don't know.
You don't know, right?
I don't know what happened there. That must have been added automatically somehow. Somebody, like, I don't know. I don't know. So,
Wait, is it called Bitcoin miner?
Bitcoin miner, what? Do I see
you
a
know,
porn
I need
website?
to. Well, what I need to do now is just, you know, skip all of these and put them into the cable, I guess, or whatever, and that's gonna work. But that's gonna take a lot of time. Unfortunate.
You want to
It's
hear
really.
the smallest violin in the world. See, it's so small you can't hear it.
Oh, okay. 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 Well, okay. That's okay. I was hoping to, you know, create like some sort of a stupid video that I could also upload to my YouTube, because it's dying out. But I mean,
You
I
can
don't really
upload
care.
this.
I can upload this. This is gonna be this.
You can upload
That's
this. This is
the
like
real- oh,
this
my
will give
fucking-
you so many viewers. I swear to God.
Oh my God!
And you'll
The
be rich in no
struggles.
time.
The struggles of a programmer who is not even able to, you know, to share a screen. Oh my
You'll be rich
God!
in no time, bro.
Oh my fucking God! This is so stupid.
Well, people get to see how you download the virus, you know.
Yeah, that's
and
for
what
sure.
not to do.
Tutorial: how to install Bitcoin miner.
Yeah, exactly.
I
So
think I'm gonna.
the next time when he gets it up and running and it's all working correctly, don't speak English at all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I think when I'm end the
No,
streaming, I'm gonna check the services section on my computer. There was one stream, right, when we tried out some of the words, swear words, right? That's what you did, and
Yeah,
then you
that's
said
what-
things about me that I have a small penis and stuff, and I kind of understood that. I kind of understood that, because, you know, it was so similar.
What is you've got a small dick in Polish?
Masz małe gusiusiaka.
Yeah, I can understand that. So 5 people, of which are 3 programmers, and I think Kizamis is a programmer as well. There's just 4 IT guys, are unable to figure out how to share a screen with the sound. So that it is what it is. I mean, we could figure it out. We just don't have the equipment, you know, hardware issue. That is, it's not a skill issue. It's a hardware issue.
Yeah, it is a skill issue.
Man, don't drag me to this. I deny everything. So Kizami is just, I mean, no, you're in this. Everybody is in this. We are shit. We couldn't make it work. This has 3 inputs. I mean 2 inputs, 1 line and 1 and
65 euros. It's gonna fucking explode.
Yeah.
I don't. Shut up. It's great. It's 15. Look. It's 15.
Yeah, that doesn't sound Chinese at all.
It's better than Sony, I heard. It's
sure.
It's better than Panasonic. This is new Panasonic 15. You haven't heard of it? No? This is the greatest electronics brands on the planet, Malmo. And you just probably haven't heard of it because you're not into the business.
Live in China.
15. Well, it's gonna be 15. Black Friday. There you go.
Yeah,
Malmo. The best thing. The best one. 80 euros. I can do it as a tax write-off. It's great. 2 knobs. I mean, even more. There's 6 more knobs, and there's 3 more knobs, and two of these. Look.
Yeah, you're describing yourself, right?
Well, I think it's time to end the stream.
This doesn't look dodgy at all, does it?
Well, no, this looks
They look like AI
high
rendering.
quality. But I think the best way to do this is always to go with the cheapest, right? You just go to cheapest,
Cheapest.
16 euro. That's,
16.90 €.
there you go. You can't go wrong with that. It's Bespeckle. It's another big brand. Look, it has a little bit lower rating. Okay, it's lit. They say it's
1 star.
okay. They say this one here says it works for 1 minute, then it turns off.
Yeah.
I mean,
1 minute stream, right? So
I'm just
Run
reboot
the
it.
stream.
I mean, what is his problem?
The fact that it even works for 1 minute is a bonus.
That's amazing. Big step up. 43.
nothing from Temu.
Look on wish.com.
Why do we need
Wish.com.
Temu? I mean, if I want to kill my computer, I would just kick it. Like, be honest. Bought anything from Temu or AliExpress and put it in your computer like a flash drive or something. Like, be honest.
No.
There's no fucking way. I didn't know how costly these are. And basically you can buy one and promo.
Instead of throwing that money away, you can just give it to me,
Of course.
Yeah.
That's
I
a
give you my bank
streamer
details.
donates to his
I
viewers.
expect that money tomorrow.
Reverse streamer donations. I will have to pay Victoria to stop harassing me. What a great deal. What a great deal it is.
It's the best Black Friday deal ever,
Yeah.
Why do you think I'm so rich?
Oh, that explains everything.
Did you fix your keyboard? Did you get enough money?
If you...
No, because
Why
none of
still
you
tell me what
motherfuckers have ever donated to me.
Yeah.
It kind of clicks,
Your
but it's not
F5 key
working.
doesn't.
F5 key. Oh.
No, it's F8. It's such a nice keyboard, by the way. It's so great. It's heavy. It's beautiful.
Put it up your bum.
Until I don't have to really use F8 key, because F8 is what do you use F8 for? Nothing.
Yeah.
Like, basically, I never use it. So why would I throw out a good keyboard besides that one key?
Yeah, you need to throw it out.
Mm.
I have rainbow, so I've got all the colors, you see.
Oh no, that's so stupid. That's even stupider than AI.
No, it's not.
That's stupider. That's stupid. Which one is it? Tell me. I will
I've got
type
the
it.
K100A.
Air.
Air.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wireless.
Oh my
What
God.
the fuck? Why is it wireless?
Hell yeah.
What the fuck?
It's that first one, yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my fucking god.
It's amazing.
I've used it. It's the best thing ever. It's
Really?
one of the greatest typing experiences of my life.
Yeah.
Fully mechanical.
Wow. These are the very fancy looking, 80s looking keyboards with
Oh God.
oh my
Oh my
god.
God.
This is nerdy stuff.
Holy shit.
Yeah, there's no- So- I'm kind of. It's not there yet. I'm kind of working on it, but it's not there yet. I need a. The bowling is.
Chew, sniff,
so-
chew, sniff.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.